Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this original image about 10 years ago or so, and I colorized this image. Well, this is color image, but I made black and white and add colors to make this image yesterday. Now I want to try to make some kind of illustration, something like that. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna fix this image as one layer, so I'm gonna select all the layers. Oops, wait a minute. I'm gonna duplicate this original image. Just turn it off to keep it. Then black and white. I may use later, so I'm gonna duplicate this no color image as well. Then turn it off to keep it. Okay. Now I'm gonna select. Oh, I didn't have to duplicate this base color image because I'm not gonna merge down on this original image. Well, I'm gonna merge down to black and white. So I'm gonna select these color layers, then make group. Now flatten this image. Alright. Now I got the original image. I'm gonna rename. Alright. Now we got 2, 4, 5 images. Pencil drawing type image 1 and 2, a little dark one. Then base color image is this. Then black and white and original. Now I want to make something interesting. First of all, I'm going to turn it on this pencil drawing type image. Then base color image, change pencil drawing type image, blend mode. Pretty interesting, isn't it? Nice kind of dark image. Linear burn. Color burn. This is nice too. What's the difference between this pencil drawing type image? Let's see. If I change to color burn. Yeah, it goes lighter. If the pencil drawing type image is darker one, this is lighter one. Yeah. Let me see on this darker pencil drawing type image. Now, kind of like this dark image, huh? Nice dark lines. Overlay, soft image, soft light, nice for sketch type image, huh? Well, we can make luminosity. Isn't that nice? How about here? Let's see. Shows the lighter effect, huh? Right. Everything is kind of light image since this base image, pencil drawing type image is light. So, well, as a sketching type image, nice for this overlay or soft light to use as a base. Overlay has more punch. Maybe nice to have both. Combine some. Well, let me try as a one variation. Yeah, let's see. Alright, now I just want to try pencil drawing type image 1 and the base color image. Change blend mode on pencil drawing type image, change to soft light. This is the base. for sketching type image. Then after that, I'm gonna add this overlay image. So I'm gonna fix this soft light effect on pencil drawing type image over base color image. Okay, fix this first. Okay, make group. Now duplicate this group. Then flatten this image. Now I'm gonna rename. Alright, now this is the first image, right? Now I'm gonna make mask. Then invert mask. Okay, now turn it off this image underneath. Then I'm gonna reveal this mask with brush is spicule. What was this? This one is this one, abstract to spicule. I don't know. Oh, this is Japanese. I don't know. I couldn't find spicule. This is Japanese, so I couldn't find it. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. Alright, I'm gonna reveal. Let's see. Just like sketching type image, right? Okay, show the four corners. Okay, that's cool. Now let's see. Well, show little birds. You don't see what that is anyways. Okay, now we have this image, kind of sketching type image. Then I want to see, turn it off this one, then want to see, change this group, pencil drawing type image, soft light to overlay. That's nice contrast, isn't it? Okay, now let me see, turn on this. Let's see if I move this one under this group image. Now we see this. Okay, I'm gonna make group, duplicate this group image, this overlay effect layer, duplicate. We have two of them. I'm gonna turn it off, one of them to keep it, then the other one. I'm gonna flatten this image. Now I'm gonna make mask. Then again, I'm gonna invert mask. Now how much do I want to show on this sketching type image? How am I gonna reveal this mask? Well, let me see. Without mask, with mask. Well, let's see about this. Maybe that some contrast around here, kimono. Then I will try drawing too. Well, let's see about evolve first. Check it out. Not that interesting, is it? That's contrast, but well, okay, clear this, just clear and invert. Well, let me see, same brush then, spicule. Well, how about using the drawing to evolve? I mean, gloaming. Yeah, real shadow colors. Well, let me see, turn on this pencil drawing type image, and I want to darken this image. So change blend mode to color burn. A little bit darken. Yeah, okay, pencil drawing 2. That's maybe alright. Okay, I want to save this image as one variation. Okay, I saved this image already, so now I want to make another variation to show something different. Okay, we got this soft light effect layer already, and also this is overlay effect, huh? Okay, I'm gonna delete this overlay effect layer, then soft light effect layer. Now we got let's see, this is color burn effect. Just move out of group, then delete this group. Now we got bring this effect back to normal. Okay, we got the two pencil drawing type image, color based image, then black and white. Okay, from here. Okay, I want to change the impression from this image. Change blend mode to color burn or much darker color. Well, color burn. Okay, let me see. If I change this to color burn as a base image, pretty dark, contrast, thick color image, then I'm gonna smudge this base image, then add some touch light image from this color burn. Yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna leave this one, and I want to fix this as one layer first. Okay, make group, then duplicate this group, flatten this image. This is pretty thick, dark color burn effect, and then I'm gonna smudge this image. So I'm gonna rename. Okay, just turn it off this group image now. Then I'm gonna start smudge this image. Alright, with let's see, details, little pine, and overall evolve. To smudge this, you need some texture of the brush. It'll give you a pretty interesting impression. Now I'm going to make a smaller texture of the brush. Change the brush to gloaming. And make it a little bit smaller size. Shows some texture, not too much abstract. Just touch. You still can't see what that is. Okay. Now little pine. Right. Now we're done for smudge. Then next, I want to show this pencil drawing type 2. Let me see. This is color burn now. Just leave it this way, and okay, this smudged image is gonna be the base image. Well, this is base image, but I want to show this. Okay, move out of this group. This is a straight base color image now. Pretty dark, thick color on this smudged color burn effect layer, color burn effect image, right? So okay, I'm gonna move this original image, go up over this smudged image, smudged color burn effect layer, then change this pencil drawing to blend mode 2, little bit sharp image. Well, okay, I want to show this smudged color burn effect image as a base overall image. So I'm gonna move this base color image under this smudged color burn effect image. Then I'm gonna make mask on this color burn effect image. Make mask. Then show some light image. Okay, mask this with let's see, this time medium blend. Okay, now I want to see this pencil drawing type image. Turn it on. Goes darker image, right? Just lighten up if I mask this. Not much. Let me see if I change this to kind of interesting. This white drawing. That's kind of interesting effect. White lines, like a highlight, catch light, new finding I never expected. Well, this is interesting. One of the variation. Oh, and also I think I forgot this color right here, so I'm gonna add color. Just add one more layer over this image, then change mode to color, then this is gonna be the different color. Okay, that's this one. Alright, okay, this is color for kimono belt. I forgot to add color. Okay, then this is mask it, change blend mode 2. We see this effect from the pencil drawing 2. Lighten up and shows white lines. That's interesting effect. And I'm not using this original black and white, original colors. We just have smudged color burn effect image as a base overall image. Well, I guess that's it for second variation of the image. Alright, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, thank you. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Very interesting, isn't it? Well, thank you.